everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my kitchen for another yummy episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be making a good old-fashioned delicious banana cake. All the ingredients I'm going to be using today are going to be down below in the description along with that subscribe button. So if you click that and ring the bell, you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. Now let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees and get started on this perfect banana cake. I know you guys are gonna love it. It's one of my favorites. So in our mixing bowl, we're gonna add in 1.5 sticks of softened butter, a 1/2 cup of white sugar, and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then we're gonna beat these until they're nice and smooth. Next, let's go ahead and add in 3 eggs, I guess that's 6, 3 eggs, one at a time, mixing after each egg addition. And then we're going to follow that with 1 teaspoon of vanilla, some mashed bananas, I'm using 3 whole bananas mashed together, and 3/4 cup of sour cream. Then again, with our hand mixer, we're going to mix these all together until they're nice and smooth. Now let's go ahead and grab another mixing bowl for our dry ingredients, starting with 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to give those a quick little whisk. Now let's go ahead and add our dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And lastly, with our hand mixer, we're going to beat these until they're all combined. And there is our perfect banana cake batter. So let's go ahead and take 2 8-inch springform pans lined with some parchment paper for no sticky bottoms and easy removal. And then we're just going to bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Super simple. So our banana cake is baked, it's starting to cool and do its thing. Now we can go ahead and start on our delicious frosting. So in a mixing bowl, we're going to add in 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, softened, and 1 stick of butter, softened. And with our hand mixer on a medium speed, we're going to beat these until they're nice and smooth. Once smooth, we're going to follow that with 4 cups of powdered sugar. And then go back in with the hand mixer and mix until everything's still nice and smooth. And lastly, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Then we're just going to give those one quick little mix. So our frosting is done. It tastes amazing. I may have did a little finger dip. Our cakes are all leveled and cooled and ready to stack together and make this perfect delicious banana cake. So let's go ahead and take our bottom layer and add some of this yummy frosting on top. And then follow that with our middle layer. Add a little more frosting. And finally, our top layer with a little more frosting. And to top it off, let's go ahead and sprinkle some yummy walnuts on top. And there you have it, a traditional, perfect, so yummy banana cake. Definitely suggest this with a cup of coffee. Perfect morning every single time. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. And if you get to make and try this wonderful banana cake, give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. I'll put all those down below. And until next week, bye.